Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huan, Invention Craig, Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales. Today we will teaching Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales the application knowledge targeted for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions original education video courses. About a brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions. The requirement for participating to learn and obtain effects and so on. We are already put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone, must carefully to watch and read. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. First of all, we teach leg action. Weight shift the desk leg. Desk leg step out. But be careful. Weight still hold desk leg. Desk leg only big toe, second toe touch floor. And then desk leg move. And 2 feet, 2 foot, fold, T-shape. The weight shift to desk leg step out. And then move free. And then still weight desk leg hold, step out. Big toe, second toe touch floor, then back. And then weight shift to desk leg step out. And then back. That's total leg actions. Okay, now we do 2 times about the leg actions. Very good. The 2 legs, between the 2 legs, no distance, so 2 legs must as close as possible. We do the side way. Yes, as close as possible, 2 legs. Okay, now we will do 2 times about the leg action again. Very good. Now we will teach hand action. Hand action have 2 different action. So we will teach you first hand action. Palm close. Okay, finger close and straight. Cannot do that. Straight. And middle finger touch, point. And soft. Okay, soft touch. As close as your body. Then shoulder high. Then ear side. The top, center, cannot do that way, only the one way. And then back. Okay, now we do 2 times about the hand action. Very good. Now we will connect first kind hand action and leg action. Very good. Now we will teach in second kind hand action. Just turn back to back. Yeah, also done as close as body. Very easy, right? So we will do 2 times about the second kind hand action. Very easy. Good. So now we connect the second kind of hand action and the leg action. Very good. Now we connect hand action and leg action. 2 kind of hand action. But we need to count. We choose 2 kind of different language, English and Hanyu. Somebody asked, excuse me, I cannot understand why should we choose 2 kind of different language to count. Good question, because we need to protect the long trip and far away bronchitis, pandemic, lung disease, and many diseases. So we need you choose 2 kind different language to count. Somebody also asked, excuse me, I cannot speak Hanyu. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you can choose Italian language and English. That's 2 kind different language. And also, eyes look straight, smiling your face, and head think how can make the action correct. Okay, now we do 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Very good. Do the action couple things everybody must remember. Number 1, the feet move. Weight not pass. Weight still hold that back. And here only big toe, second toe touch floor. No weight. And form T-shirt and for our good standing. Number 2, always Keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. And two finger straight, okay, and two middle finger touch. Soft, cannot make noise. Yes. And also the leg touch floor. Shoulder light, cannot make any sound. And the finger, arm, that's action as close as body. And move to side with body's one side. And top with ear side. Cannot do that way, only one way. And in here, also only one way. Cannot do that. Yes. Okay, now we connect. We use the count. English, Hanyu, eyes look straight. Smiling your face, head sink. How could make action correct? We do 20 times again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very easy, right? Correct. And do that action short as deep as. Cannot do that way. Deep. And here straight. Straight. Yes. Top also straight. And somebody ask, say, I cannot reach that action. That's math. You can do some action instead. For example, you can do that way. And then change to that way, also ear side. And then that way, and finally, you can do correct action. So don't worry, just make it easy, step by step, do the correct action. Absolutely, you're smart, you can do correct action. Just need a few days, adjust step by step. Trust yourself. Learn correct knowledge, must correct knowledge. Happy enjoying Golden International Daily Actions. You can discover many changes for your skin, fit, body, and you make happy, far away many diseases. You really enjoy wonderful.